Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the recommendation notifications on the Manta application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon next to the search button at the upper right corner of the screen. And here go to the notification section and you can find the recommendation option and just tap to the white circle. And now the recommendation notifications is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.